KFC family, welcome back to the channel. Okay guys, so today I wanted to do a review of this is, by the way, not sponsored or anything like that, but I just thought I should do a review of the new KFC Masala what you know me, with me I like trying out new stuff, and me I'm gonna tell you exactly what it tastes like. Okay. Okay, so I bought like um it's a box. What is it? A box, masala box something something. It's 3 pieces of chicken and chips and a cool drink. Okay, so but our focus today is the chicken. So I'm gonna try out the chicken and then I'll tell you guys what it tastes like, if it's doing the masala thing or not. Okay. So this is the box, and when you open, this is what the chicken looks like. I must say it looks yummy. It looks yummy, and the all 7 chips. You know KFC, and there, I think these ones are 8. But yeah, but this chicken smells like Raja. Like, just a mixture of mild, hot, medium, and mild and hot, and garlic and what Raja. Like, I don't know. I don't know. I don't think masala should be smelling like this. I don't know. I mean, from my experience of masala, it shouldn't be smelling like this. But okay, okay. Oh yeah, no. Okay, let us taste this and then see what it tastes like. Okay, I'm just gonna start with a small piece for safety because yeah. Woo! Okay, so it's hot. So at least, yeah, at least it's hot. But it tastes like, those Hello snacks, but like beef flavored, not even hot chicken or chicken something something like these beef flavored go slows or beef flavored Hellos. Okay, let me have chicken and not the skin. They give me the worst pieces of chicken, but okay. No, chicken is chicken. Okay, at least you can tell that they actually marinated the chicken in this masala things, and then they fried it. Like, they didn't just put it after. But I don't know what to make out of this. Like, beef flavored hellos. I don't know, guys. I was expecting masala. I was expecting, okay, it's hot, but like I was expecting masala. Like, when I hear masala, I hear hotness and I hear niceness. I think of niceness. I'm not sure. Maybe, sometimes you think about something and then you think about doing it, like how it's gonna be, and then execution is totally different. I can show, eh? I can show KFC. Maybe you should just stick to your normal chicken. Also, it's very dry. Good daddy Zimba. It's a hello. It's a beef flavor. Yeah, okay, okay. I've got nothing more to say. I can show the normal pieces of chicken here KFC will do just fine. I'm not sure about this. Unless you're willing to try Fear Factor, then you can try it. But like, if you wanna eat chicken and be full, just eat the normal chicken. I can show. I can show, guys. Or show that something. I can eat. I can eat it, but I'm not approving of this. Um, yeah, no. Mm-mm. It's not the one. That time I'm hungry. Ne? So I got no choice. I got naked at that deal. I got no choice. I'm just gonna have to eat it. Hmm? Mm. Okay. I'm gonna leave it here. This is definitely a review went wrong. But okay, what can we say? I'll see you guys in my next video.